1. Okoboji Community School District breaks ground on new facilities. 2. Okoboji's new superintendent takes office, school construction and bond issue update. 3. Groundbreaking ceremony marks end of Todd Abrahamson's tenure as Okoboji superintendent. 4. Okoboji School District's $67 million transformation, new elementary school and high school updates. 5. Okoboji schools break ground on new elementary school and high school upgrades. 1. Okoboji Community School District breaks ground on new facilities. In a significant development for the community, the Okoboji Community School District has officially commenced construction on a new elementary school and a renovation project for the high school. This initiative, which carries a price tag of $67 million, received the green light from voters last fall, aiming to enhance both safety and the functionality of the facilities. After enduring years of overcrowded classrooms and shared spaces, the district is now embarking on a project that promises to provide the necessary space and resources to support its ongoing growth. Safety has been a primary concern in the planning stages of the new elementary school. Todd Abrahamson, the superintendent of the Okoboji Community School District, emphasized the importance of safety features, stating, "Every classroom will have an exit door. For safety and security, you will have a state-of-the-art security system with check-in and camera systems, as well as alert systems. We are thrilled about these enhancements." One of the pressing safety issues that the new elementary school will address is the pickup and drop-off process. Currently, the existing building relies on city streets for this purpose. While the district has made efforts to manage the situation, the new site is set to offer a much improved solution. The new facility will not only provide ample space for educational activities but will also utilize that space more effectively. There will be a lot of innovative and multi-purpose rooms. For instance, the stage will also serve as a venue for school board meetings, as it is integrated into the commons area, Abrahamson explained, highlighting the increased efficiency of the design. Meanwhile, at the high school, administrators have chosen to renovate the existing structure to better align with the current and future needs of the district. We will be adding a multi-purpose room, expanding classrooms for science and family consumer science, and renovating our agricultural, industrial technology, and art departments, Abrahamson noted. Looking ahead, Phase 2 of the project is anticipated to kick off in the spring of 2026. This phase will include the expansion of the kitchen and commons area, the addition of an indoor concession stand, and renovations to the sections of the building dating back to the 1960s. Abrahamson expressed enthusiasm about the overall transformation, stating, "When everything is completed, it will feel like a brand new facility due to the renovations and additions. We are removing walls to create more accessible and visible hallways, which is exciting for us." The Okoboji School District expects both the new elementary school and the renovated high school to be completed by the fall of 2027. Are you excited about these developments in the Okoboji Community School District? What are your thoughts on the importance of safety and space in educational environments? Share your opinions in the comments. 2. Okoboji's new superintendent takes office, school construction and bond issue update. Just 1 week into his new role, Will Dybel is steering the ship at Okoboji Community Schools during an exciting time of growth and change. As the freshly appointed superintendent, Dybel has jumped right into a whirlwind of activity, with the district embarking on major construction projects including a brand new elementary school and significant upgrades to the high school. These initiatives are funded by a substantial $67 million bond issue, overwhelmingly supported by district voters last year. But here's where it gets controversial. Managing such a large-scale project can be fraught with challenges, from budget overruns to meeting community expectations. How will Dybel navigate these waters? Dybel brings a wealth of experience to the table, having been deeply involved in similar projects in his previous district. In the early stages, I attended numerous planning sessions with Klinger, the architects, and co-op. It's been invaluable to stay updated on the progress of the bids and to understand the major components of the project, including whether we are staying within budget, Dybel explained. His proactive involvement has given him a solid foundation to manage the ongoing developments confidently. Beyond the bricks and mortar, Dybel is passionate about enhancing educational outcomes. "I'm keen to build on what's already working well and identify areas for improvement," he said. This approach involves learning from various stakeholders, teachers, students, administrators, and the community to gather insights on the strengths and potential enhancements of the school's programs. And this is the part most people miss: the importance of integrating feedback from all corners of the school community to foster an environment of continuous improvement. Dible's arrival follows the retirement of Todd Abrahamson, who served as superintendent for 9 years. As Dible steps into these big shoes, his focus isn't just on construction. He's also eyeing the completion of other critical infrastructure, like the bus barn, ensuring that every aspect of the district's operations runs smoothly. What do you think about the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead for Dible? Can he balance the demands of these large-scale projects while pushing for educational excellence? Share your thoughts and join the discussion below. 3. Groundbreaking ceremony marks end of Todd Abrahamson's tenure as Okoboji Superintendent. In the heart of Milford, a story of leadership, community, and legacy reached its final chapter today as Todd Abrahamson stepped down from his role as superintendent of Okoboji Community Schools. With a groundbreaking ceremony marking the start of a new elementary and high school renovation project, Abrahamson officially closed the door on 9 transformative years at the helm of the district. But here's where it gets controversial: how much of a leader's success is truly their own? Abrahamson himself emphasizes that the passage of critical bond issues, including the new middle school and recent renovations, were not just his victories but a testament to collective effort. You can have a vision, he reflects, but without the right team and community partners, it's just a dream. And this is the part most people miss: the unsung heroes behind the scenes. From teachers and staff to department heads and the school board, Abrahamson credits an entire ecosystem of dedication. "I've been a straight shooter my whole career," he adds, "but this district? It's been the best I've ever worked with, not just for me, but for my family. My kids graduated here, and they'd tell you this was the place they were proud to call home." The district's innovations, from STEM programs to internships and the No-Bo initiative, showcase a culture of forward-thinking education. Yet, as Abrahamson retires to spend more time with his wife, Mary, and explore the world, the question lingers: can Will Dible, his successor, maintain this momentum? Abrahamson seems confident. "He's the right guy for the job," he says, passing the torch for the final phase of the renovation project. But what do you think? Is school leadership about individual brilliance or the power of community? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Should we celebrate team efforts like these more, or does it risk overshadowing the leaders who bring them to life? 4. Okoboji School District's $67 million transformation, new elementary school and high school updates. Imagine a school district undergoing a massive transformation, with a price tag of $67 million. That's exactly what's happening in the Okoboji Community School District. The district is embarking on an ambitious project that includes the construction of a brand new elementary school just outside of Milford and significant updates to the high school. But here's where it gets controversial: some residents might question whether this level of investment is justified, especially given the potential for future economic fluctuations. Is this the best use of public funds, or is it a necessary step to ensure the district's future success? The impetus for these changes is clear: the district has seen substantial growth, necessitating these updates to accommodate the increasing student population. The $67 million bond, approved by voters last December, is the financial backbone of this ambitious plan. The bond was a testament to the community's commitment to education and the district's future. Superintendent Will Dible, who started his tenure on the same day the updates were announced, highlighted the community's support and the district's reputation. He said, "I think it speaks volumes on the type of education you can get at Okoboji schools and what the staff has created there, the community support. The desire to be here. My predecessor did a great job as well as making sure that people knew about Okoboji and the great things that are happening here." The new elementary school is expected to take approximately 2 years to complete. The high school updates, on the other hand, will be carried out in 2 phases, with the first phase beginning this fall. This phased approach ensures that the high school can continue to function smoothly while undergoing renovations. The updates are designed to enhance the learning environment and provide students with modern facilities that meet current educational standards. And this is the part most people miss: the long-term benefits of these updates, such as improved student performance and increased property values in the area, could outweigh the initial costs. The Okoboji Community School District is clearly investing in its future, and the community's support is evident. However, the debate over the best use of public funds is a complex one. What do you think? Is this investment a step forward for the district, or is it a risk that could have unforeseen consequences? ***, share your thoughts in the comments below and let's discuss the future of education in Okoboji. 5. Okoboji schools break ground on new elementary school and high school upgrades. A transformative $67 million investment is reshaping education in Okoboji as groundbreaking ceremonies mark the beginning of an ambitious construction project. But the real story goes far deeper than just new buildings. The Okoboji Community School District launched two major construction projects today, a state-of-the-art elementary school and the first phase of extensive high school renovations. What's particularly remarkable? The projects are already showing significant cost savings, coming in $4.3 million under initial estimates. Superintendent Todd Abrahamson revealed an aggressive timeline, with dirt already moving at the elementary site and equipment staging imminent at the high school. The comprehensive plan includes multiple phases, culminating in fall 2027 with expanded commons areas, enhanced kitchen facilities, a modernized weight room, and upgraded concession stands. But here's where it gets interesting: the final phase will completely reimagine the 1960s portion of the high school for the modern era. Elementary Principal Dave Vonk highlighted three critical challenges the new facility will address. We're not just building walls, we're creating solutions for safety concerns, space limitations, and the evolving future of education. The forward-thinking design by co-op architects includes flexibility for expansion, potentially accommodating 5 sections as enrollment grows. This isn't just about today's needs, Vonk emphasized. We're positioning ourselves to become a premier educational destination in the region. Perhaps the most exciting developments are happening at the high school, where Principal Brian Downing unveiled plans for a revolutionary multi-purpose space. Picture this: a wrestling room large enough for 3 mats, with convertible turf underneath for various athletic activities and marching band practice. The science department will see a dramatic upgrade from 1 shared lab to 3 dedicated spaces, while the family consumer science area will feature specialized zones for textiles, culinary arts, and demonstrations. But here's the part that might spark debate: is this level of investment in physical infrastructure the best way to prepare students for an increasingly digital future? While the community clearly supports these improvements, as shown by their approval of the bond issue, it raises interesting questions about the balance between traditional and modern educational needs. What do you think about these ambitious plans? Are state-of-the-art facilities crucial for educational excellence, or should schools focus more on other aspects of learning? Share your thoughts in the comment.